everyone. Today we can do the problems of exercise 6a. We can discuss question number 11. 3x plus 2y is equal to 11. 2x minus 3y plus 10 is equal to 0. So let it be equation number 1. So from this equation number 1, we have equation number 1 as 3x plus 2y is equal to 11. From this equation 1, we can take y, that is 2y first we can take. 2y is equal to 11 minus 3x. So y will be what? 11 minus 3x divided by 2. Substitute y is equal to 11 minus 3x divided by 2 in this second equation, in equation number 2. So we will get what? 2x minus 3 into, instead of y we can replace it as 11 minus 3x divided by 2 plus 10 is equal to 0. Then minus that 3 we can write in the numerator, so we can write like this way: 3x by 2 is equal to 10 will become negative 10. Then 2x can be written as 2x by 1. So if we take the LCM, we will get 2 into 2x is 4x minus 3 into 11 minus 3x into 1 is what? 3 into 11 minus 3x divided by 1 into 2 is 2 is equal to negative 10. So again if we change the bracket, 4x minus 33 plus negative into negative positive 9x divided by 2 is equal to negative 10. So 9x plus 4x, 13x minus 33 divided by 2 is equal to negative 10. Negative 10 can be written as negative 10 by 1. If we cross multiply, we will get it as 13x minus 33 into 1 is 13x minus 33 itself, which is equal to negative 10 into 2 is what? Negative 20. So 13x is equal to negative 20 plus 33. So therefore 13x is equal to 33 minus 20. That is, one sign is positive, other sign is negative. Subtract and put the bigger number sign. So it will be what? 13 itself. So it is positive 13. So x is equal to 13 by 13. So x is equal to 1. We have to find the value of y. So we have y as what? 3 into, this is the value of y now. So substituting that, we have y is equal to 11 minus 3x divided by 2. Substitute x is equal to 1 in this. We will get in y is equal to 11 minus 3x divided by 2. We will get y as y is equal to 11 minus 3 into 1 by 2. So y is equal to 11 minus 3 by 2. So y is equal to what? 11 minus 3. How much is 11 minus 3? It is 8, no? Then 8 by 2. So y is equal to 4. So x value we got it as 1 and y is equal to 4. Then question number 12. 2x minus 3y plus 6 is equal to 0. 2x plus 3y minus 18 is equal to 0. So in equation number 2 we have 2x. So from equation number 1 we can take 2x. So it will be easy if we substitute that 2x in equation number 2. So from equation number 1 we can take. From equation number 1, what is equation number 1? That is 2x minus 3y plus 6 is equal to 0. From this, from equation number 1, 2x will be what? 3y minus 6. So substitute 2x is equal to 3y minus 6 in equation number 2. So what is our equation number 2? 2x plus 3y minus 18 is equal to 0. So if you substitute this 2x as 3y minus 6, so what will happen to this equation number 2? 2x instead of 2x we will write it as 3y minus 6. Then plus 3y minus 18 is equal to 0. So minus 3y, positive 3y, positive 3y is 6y. Then minus 6 minus 18, it will be negative 24. If one sign is, both the signs are negative, add and put negative sign, is equal to 0. So 6y is equal to 24, y is equal to 24 by 6, 6 4s are 24. So y value we got it as 4. Then substitute that y in equation number 1 or equation number 2, or we can write, we have what, 2x is equal to 3y minus 6. After solving this, we got this as 2x minus is equal to 3y minus 6. From where we get this 2x is equal to 3y minus 6? From this equation number 1 only, no? So in that we can substitute the y value as 4. So what is this? 2x minus 3y is equal to 6. Next we have to find out the value of x. So 2x is equal to, we have 2x is equal to 3y minus 6. So what will be? So 2x is equal to 3 into y is 4 minus 6. So 2x is equal to 4 3s are 12 minus 6. So 2x is equal to 6. So x is equal to 6 by 2, which is equal to 3. So now we got x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 4. Okay, thank you.